Take charge of your health from your own home on your own schedule. Testing yourself for sexually transmitted infections puts you in control of your body and your choices. 1 in 2 sexually active people will contract an STI by age 25, so knowing your status is essential. We get it. STI testing is not something we really look forward to doing. Even if you're comfortable getting tested, taking the time to visit a clinic and wait for a call with your results is less than ideal. So, we're delivering convenience and peace of mind with the Nurx STI Home Test Kits. Our user-friendly kits test you for many common sexually transmitted infections. It's important to know your status so you can make better and more informed healthcare decisions. All of these infections are manageable, treatable, or totally curable, but it's important to catch them early. The tests are every bit as reliable as what you'd get in a doctor's office, and our medical team will walk you through the process. Taking the tests is easy, affordable, and private. No doctor's appointments, no more waiting rooms, just judgment-free healthcare on your schedule. We are committed to making STI testing affordable. We accept most health insurance plans, but we also offer budget-friendly pricing if you don't have insurance. The cost of our test kits includes unlimited messaging with our medical team about your results and any questions you might have. Here's how it works. Download the Nurx app or visit Nurx.com. Answer a few questions about your health, and we'll ship you a kit straight to your door in discreet, plain packaging. We have 3 test kits to choose from. The Full Control Kit checks for common STIs in multiple areas of the body. Did you know that a significant percentage of STIs are actually located in the throat and rectum in both men and women? The Healthy Woman Kit tests for the sexually transmitted infections most likely to affect female bodies. And the Basics Covered Kit provides an essential check for a few common STIs, but does not check for oral or rectal infections. All of the tests can be completed in as little as 15 minutes in the privacy of your home. When you're done, place the samples in the convenient prepaid envelope included in the kit and send them to us. We'll get in touch within 7 business days to go over the results. If you test positive for any STIs, our medical team will work with you closely to determine the best next steps. We will prescribe antibiotics for certain infections, or we will refer you to in-person care if needed. If your results are negative, our medical team can help you decide when you should be tested next. We usually recommend you get tested for STIs every year, and sooner if you have unprotected sex with a new partner, or are unsure of a partner's STI status. At Nurx, our mission is to put you in control of your own health. Everyone should have access to convenient and affordable care, no matter where you live, who you love, or what you get up to in your free time. And by everyone, we mean you. Learn more about Nurx and our STI Home Test Kits at nurx.com/STI-testing.